Okay, how to create a Facebook reel from your profile. So go into your profile, you've automatically got create reel, click on that. You're now going to get a choice of using photos or videos from your camera roll. You can either use the camera or use one of their templates or use content from your actual Facebook account. But we're going to create one from scratch, so click the camera icon. And it's going to always be forward facing away from you. If you want to turn it around, you just have to click the round button and you come on the screen. Okay, so if I turn it back round again, get one of the video of my dog. All you do is press the button and hold, and takes a video of the dog. And as you can see, it's got the timer at the top, and you can then go forward and back. Now, once you've done that, and what happens is that the dog, and as you automatically think that you can have to go to the next button. However, if you click the edit button, and you can see here that you have, and as you can see, it's got lots of different options. And you can then got the bit that you videoed. You can add audio by clicking the add audio, and that's where you can add some music. So if you want to add music, just go ahead and click the actual option. Otherwise, click the play option to listen to what the music sounds like. If you want to save the music so you've got it for later, you can just click the little save option, like so. Then all you do is you click on it, and to change the volume, then all you need to do is click the volume button, and you can go up. It's got down at the top. And you can then go also forward. If you want to adjust it, you can click the adjust option, and takes a video and of the dog. Then if you want to add text, click the add text and go, and you can then go forward back to, and takes a video if you want of the dog. To put background, click the icon, and then you can make it up or down and click done. Now, as you can see, if I just pause it, if I highlight the text, you can see that you don't have to have the text goes all the way along, but you can drag it back so that the text only shows for a little bit if you want. So, like so. And also, if you want to move the text, you can just use your finger to move it up and down. Then once you're happy, click done. And now, all you need to do now is click the next button. Now, just bear in mind, when you click the next button, it will take the thumbnail of when you actually press the next button. So if I just wait for it to come closer to me. And as you can see, it's got the timer at the top, and you can then go forward. Now you can see that it's got Maisie like that. Then all you need to do is write in your description, add any hashtags that you might want, click done, and then you can choose whether you want it to go to the public, to friends, accept friends. You can also tag people if you want to. You can select the location if you want to. You can share it to Instagram. You can add topics, invite collaborators, earn money or captions. You can also save it to your camera roll or save it as a draft. And then you can click share now. When you click share now, it will share that reel to your profile.